bunnies hopping on the run, 3 little kittens playing with a ball, 4 little puppies answering a call. 5 little ducks swimming in the pond, 6 little frogs jumping all around, 7 little bees buzzing in the hive, 8 little ants working hard to thrive. 9 little fish swimming in a line, 10 little stars in the sky shine, 11 little daisies in a field of green, 12 little ladybugs can be seen. 13 little butterflies fluttering by, 14 little clouds floating in the sky, 15 little trees growing so tall, 16 little acorns ready to fall. 17 little flowers in a row, 18 little seeds ready to grow, 19 little birds singing a tune, 20 little stars shining with the moon.